Could you outrun a volcano? It's a question that might have crossed your mind during a late-night movie marathon or while scrolling through social media. Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fiery truth behind this burning question. Let's start with some good news. Contrary to what Hollywood might have you believe, most lava flows aren't exactly speed demons. In fact, they're more like nature's slow-motion rivers of doom. Typically, lava moves at a leisurely pace of about 1 to 10 kilometers per hour. That's right, you could probably outwalk most lava flows if you spotted them early enough. So, if you ever find yourself face-to-face with a stream of molten rock, don't panic. Just start walking in the opposite direction. But remember, the key here is to start early. Now, before you start feeling too confident about your volcano escaping abilities, let's talk about something truly terrifying: pyroclastic flows. These aren't your average lava flows. Picture a superheated cloud of gas ash and rock hurtling down a mountainside at speeds of over 700 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a commercial jet at cruising altitude. If you're caught in the path of a pyroclastic flow, there's no outrunning it. These deadly phenomena are responsible for some of history's most devastating volcanic disasters. But here's a silver lining. Volcanoes aren't usually silent killers. They often give us warnings before they blow their tops. If you live near an active volcano, you might notice some telltale signs of an impending eruption. Listen for rumbling sounds coming from the earth, like the mountain's stomach is growling. Keep an eye out for smoke or steam rising from the crater, and pay attention to any earthquakes or tremors in the area. These warning signs can give people precious time to evacuate before things get too hot to handle. Speaking of living near volcanoes, you might be surprised to learn just how many people do exactly that. Over 800 million people worldwide call volcanic regions home. It's more than 10% of the global population. We're not just talking about small villages or remote communities. Major cities like Naples in Italy and Quito in Ecuador are built in the shadow of active volcanoes. It's a testament to human adaptability and maybe a little bit of risk-taking spirit. Now, let's circle back to our slow-moving lava flows. While it's true that you could theoretically outpace them on foot, that doesn't mean they're harmless. Lava might not catch you directly, but it can still trap you in deadly ways. Imagine trying to escape a volcanic eruption, only to find that the lava has blocked your evacuation route. Or picture a scenario where the intense heat from the lava starts fires all around you, making the air unbreathable. Even if you're not touched by the lava itself, these secondary effects can be just as dangerous. Here's a fun fact to lighten the mood. Did you know that one adventurous or perhaps foolhardy man in Hawaii actually cooked steaks on flowing lava? Talk about extreme barbecuing. While we definitely don't recommend trying this at home, it does illustrate just how hot lava can get. Your average backyard grill might reach temperatures of around 500 degrees Celsius, but lava can be more than twice that hot. So, could you outrun a volcano? The answer is ... It depends. If we're talking about a slow lava flow and you're alert and prepared, you might have a chance. But when it comes to the more explosive aspects of volcanic eruptions, like pyroclastic flows or massive ash clouds, the odds aren't in your favor. The best strategy is always to heed evacuation warnings and get out of harm's way well before things get dicey. Understanding volcanoes isn't just about satisfying our curiosity or preparing for unlikely scenarios. It's crucial knowledge for millions of people around the world who live in volcanic regions. Scientists and volcanologists work tirelessly to monitor active volcanoes, develop better prediction methods, and improve evacuation strategies. Their work saves lives and helps communities coexist with these powerful forces of nature. Volcanoes are a reminder of the dynamic, ever-changing nature of our planet. They can be destructive, yes, but they're also responsible for creating some of the most fertile soil on Earth and shaping breathtaking landscapes. From the black sand beaches of Hawaii to the towering peaks of the Andes, volcanoes have left their mark on our world in ways both beautiful and terrifying. As we wrap up our volcanic adventure, remember that while outrunning a volcano might not always be possible, understanding these geological giants is our best defense. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to natural disasters. So the next time you see a volcano in a movie or hear about one in the news, you'll have a better grasp of what's really going on beneath the surface. And hey, if you ever find yourself face to face with a slow-moving lava flow, just remember, walk, don't run. Save your energy for a brisk but steady retreat to safety. Leave the lava surfing to the action movie heroes. If you've enjoyed this fiery dive into the world of volcanoes, why not stick around for more wild science? Subscribe to Factoons for fresh, fascinating content every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. We'll be exploring everything from the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space. And of course, plenty more earth-shaking facts in between. So, could you outrun a volcano? Probably not in most cases, but now you know why. More importantly, you know how to stay safe if you ever find yourself in a volcanic danger zone. Keep that knowledge bubbling in your mind, and we'll see you in the next video for more explosive facts.